Hi everyone, today I will tell you about how to measure the area of cell from 2D HD synchrotron CD image on ImageJ. So first you need to open ImageJ. Installing ImageJ on MacOS is tricky, so I will link the ImageJ installation package on the description box below. So to open the file, you go to Import an Image Sequence, and you want to open a whole folder with stack of images. So you need to go to the main folder first, then open exactly the folder that you want to analyze. Here I put one increment because I already reduced the size of the image by 20 to 25%, and this makes easier to us to open the whole stack of image in one file. And as you can see in here, we have 117 images after we rescale it to 25%. And if we didn't rescale it, the image can be like 2000 images. So this is how the images looks like. It looks pretty much the same, but once you analyze it one by one, it is not the same. So let's select the area to work on because we don't want to analyze the whole images. We would just want to select certain area. We select with this rectangular shape and go right click and duplicate. And yes, we want to duplicate the stack. So we will analyze this small images instead of the big images. Then go to image and adjust the threshold, and you can move this bar to the left, to the right to get a perfect cell shape. And it's also depend on what you want to measure. If you want to measure the intercellular cell, you need to make sure that the intercellular area is black like this. And if you want to measure the cell area, you adjust the bar and make sure that the cell part is dark. Then click apply and uncheck this box and click OK. Once you're done with this, go to process, click binary and watershed and click yes. And see, there we have clear separation between cell, and you want to choose image that most likely represent a perfect shape cell. Then you go to Magic Wand app here, click on the cell and press M on your keyboard. It will give you this number and keep measuring until 20 times as a repetition. You can choose randomly as long as it has a perfect shape of a cell. Then you do it for the rest of the images until the last one, 117. And this number is the number of the cell area. You need to convert this number to millimeters square by using trigonometry formula to get the real size of the cell.